e-levy is a man say a year for neighbor taxi woman. No. Now, President can say to maybe at the choice of word within that, like he said, the electronic payment system is becoming one of the increasing channels a booming, developing.
Good.
Martina, like I said, my only reservation on e-levy as an MPP man would have been that the telcos had a responsibility to run communication, whether data, voice, whatever, any form of communication. Now, financial part of transaction abeka home. So, like we deal with the banks, can we have similar acts or bills or laws that deals with the telcos in managing how they run the financial side? So that if the banks were charges be omutia buying or taxes omutia, for something like that, apply my telcos, you know. So they are paying whatever corporate tax on the financial side now, umabano. So that them mayors are buying now no overtake that advantage, that opportunity to take directly from the citizenry. But there could have been a better arrangement where send a bank for you juma a buying and bank for a chinko scano and no. That is my only reservation at the approach that I thought possibly care for so be and came fast the day we remember. Okay, telcos monkoswa, but since not financing your core mandate, you know, then we need to regulate more. It's any regulating microfinance one when someone to get this business there, then this is what is going to regulate you. But not necessarily any tax need from people who do the transaction.
I want to surprise the mood, you know, throughout the interview, you know, now as a there was a point now from the voice it shows. I mean from the voice. You know, President Akufo-Addo is not the type now say Okasa na bufunima ni tonation gives him out and say, oh, the president is okay, he's happy, everything is normal. Lively.
But the moment as a voice will be raised, then we'll say as agitation, it came out. Possibly because he felt that the gentleman's line of questioning was targeting his governance as causing the problems the guy was referring to. And he would have, it was
the guy not ignorant.
No, he's not ignorant. I mean, he's an international journalist, man. He knows what he's doing. I mean, for him, this puts him on that spotlight.
Yeah.
And he's in the Juma international journalist. That's why I'm saying, sir, can mess so much opportunity now. Highlight the good that we are doing and so than trying to seek to portray what they seem as not working in African countries.
Padmo Bafwe Japan of the NPP. Former first vice chair for Medina constituency. Also Nochia Boniface, Abubakar Sadiq. Yes, papa. Now Henry Waha, Honorable Henry Oseakoto, NDC's parliamentary candidate.
Produce fee. In Tieno Kwana, you can say COVID by and about higher. The tin and I say.
Yeah, but you also kind of makes a point. Producing countries near affected that. One now depend on them. No, where lies your grounding? Because they are with Jeffrey Honano and so no into bed and yabi.
Na me busa say ono na buy no buy no. Ono na buy no buy no. But say ono be catch Ghana for say ba be kra no ma. E dia ba Ghana. Eno no ba so ba be ya na so ba be produce export. Me busa MPP.
See, ocho busa.
Say be me busa.
Ocho busa.
Motima society na no and can COVID buy no in who's a problem no.
I said they've made a headway with the 1D1F.
1D1F for him. 1D1F for him fa. Any your friend say back no friend say planting for food and jobs. Opa Ghana ha. Yen close support for just 1 month or 3 days per food shortage in Ghana. Food shortage in Ghana. MPP government obon kind of correct. They are very good in couching, a slogan. Planting for food and jobs. 1 district, 1 factory. 1 village, 1 dam. 1 constituency, $1 million. Otianu Onyaji. But Ukuma, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. Economy, yetimi produce more. By now, no city depreciation, maybe I see the depreciating over 28.7% just in first quarter of 2022, ebi si da economy e produce no saa de ni bi nsi da because produce all the co edwama so akɔgye dollar ne de ba ebe kushi wo economy rather than ye ha say da bia no na no papa so akɔfa 2 billion ba bi wo do bo say hu de bi si
papa ben
enya Akufo-Addo oso o ma ko fa sika de ba bi kushi CD to dollar no wa wo de see it ya be catch them the other time say my predict say by the end of the year no me can 10 cities we go say masama na ba ni mu kakra by the third quarter me do 10 cities CD to dollar me do 10 cities o ma wen ba bi aye ko no say ya nhwe ni ye na ye ntima to tue no me ya me nua anya papa
Mate,
I've said it said Nana Akufo-Addo
Henry
Ken Ofori-Atta on Sakino he's not the only finance minister we have in this country.
me that say
Baby our pandi akodun enye papa.
Mate, yeah,
Okay.
but all is set this weekend for the Ghana Beverage Awards. The Kempinski Gold Hotel Goko City Accra. And you know, Kanyen Global Media Alliance and your partners now for the 6th edition of the Ghana Beverage Awards, Emremon. Who wins in the following categories: international spirit, international liquor, beer, water, bitters, fruit drink, or liquor of the year, amongst others. And who takes home the most coveted product of the year award? For table reservations and further details, for 020 222 095 020. And the Ghana Beverage Awards in partnership with the Ministry of Trade and Industry, the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture, the Ghana Tourism Authority.
Jump. And yes, you. Fine. Say, oh, you free what they are. No problem. We shall see what will happen. Was sorry, or cast a crime committed and maybe mumu. Now, honorable hopes in year a bid in the birthday. One thing I may say who you say. Anytime be a gift ya doye. Ni din beba soro. Ye bed and cofu ni beba no one ye bebo na basubiano. Na a man for yariaba. Gift ya doye. Anytime be a so releasing nyumo within the birthday. Na champion woman. Na yari enaba to me. Oko social media no bodam. Ye kotie inka media wo. Ye we kura me aden na man tia sentem. Ye we de magimi wo. We dem kwase ade be na ma ye. E na sa hopes no ye big sa. Nti what was na fa ni tirimu sa na no bodam. Nti eso okoye bibi, eso okopusu no ho. Aigbe to fi so ye de ma o set afre. Na wo so ya igbe ni nti wo mpe. And I will have conversation no. I have it here. Your friend in UK sent it to me. I have it here. Woman now, wo friend say, wo be Akufo-Addo pamon wo Toronto no, ye pamon wo sa akoko. Wo kwatena ho from 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Wo de wo cho call ho. President say wo mpe wani mu ahwe. Cause nka wo de no air to asem. We di boni we na nka wo do Akufo-Addo a security fa ka cho say wo de picture to enye yi. Wo si mi yi. Yi picture na wo si wo yi. Papa ne ba Toronto dia o be miemia weni ase te said ya wuye ni papa and the man told you now nobody will change my mind because this is exactly what Nana Akufo-Addo said. Hey, what are you doing here? I have been told to stay away from you. Yabwa kofe kosua bodua said Nana Akufo-Addo anka sa asem we ankyere wo Toronto ha. Kofe kosua na bodua we so koka kire police say ensi